In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert line into polyline in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll walk through a quick, practical technique that turns ordinary line segments into a single polyline, which is often easier to edit, offset, and style. Start by making sure the segments you want to join are actually touching end to end. If there's a gap, the join command won't connect them, so zoom in and confirm the endpoints meet, or use object snaps to inspect them. With that ready, type P on your keyboard and press Enter. P is the shortcut for the Polyline Edit command, or PD key, and it opens a set of editing options for polylines. If you type PE while a line is selected, AutoCAD will detect that the object is not yet a polyline and will prompt you with a question. This is where the conversion happens. Select the line you want to convert by clicking on it. AutoCAD will ask, "Do you want to turn it into one?" At that prompt, type Y for yes and press Enter. Doing that converts the single line into a polyline object, enabling the full suite of polyline editing tools. Next, to combine multiple connected lines into one continuous polyline, type J and press Enter. J stands for join. This option tells AutoCAD you want to merge connected objects into a single polyline. Carefully click to select all the connected lines you want to join, or use a crossing window if they're arranged in a pattern. Once everything you want to join is selected, press Enter to confirm the selection. If the lines are precisely connected, AutoCAD will join them into one polyline. If some segments don't join, it usually means they're not perfectly coincident or there's a tiny gap. You can undo and correct those gaps or use snapping tools to align endpoints before trying again. After the join is successful, press Unask to finish and exit the command. A few quick tips. Perform this on a copy of your geometry if you're worried about changing original objects. Use object snaps and zoom in closely when endpoints won't join. And remember that polylines support width, bulge, and other properties that single lines do not. So converting gives you more flexibility for downstream edits. That's it. A simple, reliable way to turn lines into a single polyline in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if this helped you.